Yes, the official WhatsApp is finally available on your Apple Watch. So in this video, I'll show you how to get it, install and use it directly on any Apple Watch running on the latest watchOS. Simply make sure you're logged into the WhatsApp account to your synced iPhone. So what you gotta do is just press on your crown, and from here, just find App Store and simply search for WhatsApp. But there are plenty of third-party apps that will appear at the top of this section. Just keep scrolling down and find this one with the original WhatsApp logo. If you tap on it and scroll down, you'll see it's the WhatsApp developer version. That means it is the original and official WhatsApp. Just go and hit the Get button, double press on your power key to trigger the installation. Just make sure your watch is connected to Wi-Fi, that's all. As you can see, at the same time, it's also installed into our iPhone. Now, after the download is completed, you can either open it up from here or you can just go back to your app screen. At the end, you will find the WhatsApp icon, just tap on it and enter. And that's it. You'll be auto-logged into your WhatsApp account right away. As you can see, all your WhatsApp chats and messages will appear in here. Now you can just go ahead and send replies right on your watch. You can listen to any voice messages on your watch. You can also send voice messages directly from your watch. Apart from that, you can also see all the photos and images sent to you directly from your Apple Watch. Only the GIF and videos will be shown as unsupported. You'll have to access it from your iPhone. When there is a call notification, whether your iPhone is locked or unlocked, you'll be notified. Although you cannot take the call, but you can decline it directly from your watch. And that's how you can use the official WhatsApp from your Apple Watch. Thanks for watching.